Ashutosh, okay, this is, I don't know why I thought of this. This is disgusting. Damn. Okay, so Ashutosh had a not so nice secret. By my use of the word disgusting and all, by now you guys have already figured it was not gonna be nice. So Ashutosh's secret, believe it or not, is that he used adult diapers. Okay, very sad thing. I would not wish it on my worst enemy, but I can think of some people I'd wish it on, but I cannot mention their names on an open forum. So use your imagination. But in any case, Ashutosh used adult diapers. And obviously, he would not want anyone to discover that he was adult diapers. And a strange thing happened. Now, I don't know how many of y'all have yet started traveling internationally, but or nationally when you fly and all. But I am told that it's a very scary year. So amongst the other things that the Arogya Setu app and the mask and the thing, if God forbid, if they suspect that you are remotely infected with the C word, they will do strange things to you, and that is what happened to Ashutosh. Ashutosh, Arogya Setu, green, no temperature, all good. Lands up at the airport, breezes through, gets there, they do the temperature check, still going good, reaches check-in, ready to board, and then Ashutosh coughs. Now, there are multiple reasons why people cough. In the old days, you could cough, people would look at you and say, pat your back or be nice to you, offer you a glass of water. Today, the minute you cough, everyone looks at you like you're the lizard that has crawled in out of nowhere and immediately want to either hit you with a jhadu or spray hit on you or just wish you away. So Ashutosh started coughing, security came, everybody panicked. Ashutosh was trying to explain to them that something just got caught in my throat. I'm not ill or anything, but of course no one listened. And the trouble is that they also don't want to come too close to you because you're coughing. So they, became this whole dilemma, wondering how do we deal with this guy. Any which case they decided, before we even come close to him or before we throw him out or anything, we need to spray him. And we need to spray him like properly. Properly obviously means take off all your clothes. We want to spray you to the very basics. Now Ashutosh knew that if you start taking off his clothes, his biggest secret in the world would be revealed. And it's the last thing you want people to know. Dignity and all that. He said, no way, boss. If you don't want, don't let me fly. I'll go home. It's all fine. But they were like, rubbish. You're not getting out of here. Your COVID, this thing, we will spray you. And then we will take you to quarantine center. And then, baki jo bhi hoga. So this basic screaming, shouting happened. Ashutosh protested, refused to cooperate. 3 guys in PPEs came, grabbed him and stripped him. They stripped him, shirt came off, jeans came off, and then everybody shrank back in total shock because they'd seen the adult diaper. Arti, you need to give more words. You've forgotten. Don't get so fascinated by the adult diaper that you forget what you're supposed to be doing. Sorry?
Girlfriend.
बेचारे का नंगा कर दिया, आप गर्लफ्रेंड भी लाओगे? So anyways case, to make Ashutosh's life even more difficult, Ashutosh wasn't traveling alone. His girlfriend was supposed to join him. So just when this whole thing has happened and his kapda has been removed and they're ready to spray him and everybody's looking at the adult diaper and Ashutosh is hiding his face and doing all this stuff, Monica walks in. Monica walks in and initially she's like, what are you all doing to my boyfriend? Ready to beat up, ready to get all protective, ye wo halana. And then she sees the adult diaper and she's like, oh my God. That's why we haven't gotten intimate yet. That's why every time I brought up the topic, this man would make some excuse and say, I have a headache, I have my stomach ache, I am feeling dizzy, I am here. This is the truth. This is why he was avoiding it. He didn't want me to see what he had in his pants.
Wife.
She's shocked. Sorry?
Wife.
Wife bhi chahiye. So, any which case, now this is getting really freaked out and Ashutosh is like, boss, what is happening? मेरा तो life खत्म हो गया. एक तो सबके सामने ये पता नहीं कितने लोग मोबाइल पे YouTube वीडियो बना रहे हैं. When this gets out, girlfriend तो छोड़ के चली गई. Now I will never get married. I will never have a wife. I will be single till the end of my life. And that rhymed. But In which case, all this chaos is happening, and now Ashutosh lost his cool. He's like screaming and shouting and saying, "I'm going to sue y'all. Y'all, this is like manhani ka dawa karunga," and all that stuff. So it's becoming one full circus. Now, also, nothing. This is just the initial days of flights opening and all. You have news crews and stuff who are going up to people and saying, "How do you feel traveling in these circumstances? How do you do this?" And they're catching all this. And this very enthu news reporter decides that she needs to ask Ashutosh a very pertinent question. So she runs up to him and says, "How do you feel about the way you are being treated?" Rashko starts shouting and screaming and this thing. And then meantime, the cameraman, who's a bit of a kamina, is nicely focusing only below the waist, seriously hitting below the belt kind of stuff. And the news anchor decides to ask, "But sir, can you tell us a little more about this new kind of protective equipment that you're wearing?" The dumb woman had not figured what it was. She thought it's something more to protect people from COVID. So she's like, "Is this something, have you discovered something that we don't know? That COVID actually affects the reproductive process and prevents you from performing. इसीलिए आप ये स्पेशल चीज पहन रहे हैं, ये कहाँ से मिल सकता है, इसका कॉस्ट क्या है? How do you advocate it for all?" Sorry?
Famous.
Famous तो वही रहा था. So do you advocate it? Now Ashutosh suddenly saw an opportunity. He turned around and he started spinning the whole narrative. He's like, "I know, guys, she's right. You think this is an adult diaper. It is not. I do not have an incontinence problem. But I've been told that there is a new variation of the COVID virus, which is COVID C. C minus minus. And that affects virility. It affects reproduction. And that's why adult diapers are the way to go." This video goes viral. Suddenly, Ashutosh, the next 2-3 days, Ashutosh couldn't take his flight, of course, he was sent home and all that. But he got 3 calls from 3 different companies who manufacture adult diapers, all of whom started a bidding war to make Ashutosh their poster boy. All he had to do was go and talk about how it protected him and how he's capable of. And of course, in all this thing, because of all this, man, Baki sab men will lose their ability to produce children, but this guy is forward thinking. He's got vision. He's got stability. Hi Sony. He's a man of the future. We can depend on him. So he was getting like propositions and proposals and all that. So Ashutosh was the man of the hour. So in a nutshell, in times of COVID, even having your pants taken off can prove to be the biggest opportunity. As long as you have a news anchor with a mic ready to give you an opportunity to save your ass little bit. Thank you, Aarti. I hope you liked your secret.
Yeah.